Consistent good night's sleep is becoming recognized as more important than a healthy diet or regular exercise. Poor sleep can have immediate and long-term impacts to your mental and physical health through negative effects on your hormones, brain function, bodily performance, and make you more prone to disease. Insomnia can also be triggered by unhealthy behaviors or sleep patterns. The term sleep hygiene refers to a series of healthy habits that can improve your ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. Even a few slight adjustments can, in some cases, mean the difference between sound sleep and a restless night. By watching out and making certain changes to your daily routine and bedtime habits, you can help improve the quality of your sleep, which can lead to less eating, more energy, being healthier, and feeling more emotionally balanced throughout the day. Research has shown that you tend to eat more when you stay awake longer. To start, keep a consistent sleep schedule by trying to sleep and wake up at consistent times. Same time every day, even on weekends or during vacations. Sleeping in later in the morning can confuse your body clock and make it difficult to fall asleep the following night. This happens to some people who work shift work or working irregular hours where the body cannot adjust to the schedule. Set a bedtime that is early enough for you to get at least 7 hours of sleep. Don't go to bed unless you are sleepy. If you don't fall asleep after 20 minutes, get out of bed. Reading a book, memorizing something difficult, or doing something repetitive may help you fall asleep by occupying your mind and help distract you from anxious thoughts. Worrying with thoughts such as "I'll never sleep" will simply reinforce the pattern of insomnia. Short naps in the afternoon are helpful for replenishing energy, but can also make it difficult for you to fall asleep at night. Limit naps to 30 minutes and avoid doing so late in the day. If you have trouble falling asleep already, it is recommended to avoid napping. Doing calming activities before your bedtime, such as taking a bath, deep breathing, meditation, visualization, or other relaxation techniques to promote better sleep can help in falling asleep. You can refer to my video on Introduction to Meditation if you want to find out more about meditation. Sometimes people have difficulty sleeping because of physical tension and restlessness. Progressive muscle relaxation can help to relieve that tension through systematically tensing and then relaxing all of your muscles in the body. You can start by tensing and relaxing the muscles of your face and progressively move down one by one to every body part until you reach the lower parts of your body. Adopting daily bedtime rituals can help you wind down. This may include listening to quiet music, reading a book, taking a warm bath, light stretching, but done on a regular basis. Once your body gets used to your routine, your body will understand when it is time to calm down and get ready for sleep. Creating a restful environment by, for example, making your bedroom dark, quiet, and cool can set the right tone for your body to relax and prepare for sleep. Optimal sleep temperature is between 60 and 67 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 to 21 degrees Celsius. Consider using room darkening curtains, shades, or earplugs. To drown out background noise, consider getting a white noise machine or fan, or other device that plays sounds from the beach or the jungle if you find these to be relaxing. Ensuring your mattress or pillow is suited to your body allows you to sleep deeper and wake up feeling more refreshed. Sleep experts strongly recommend using your bed only for sleep and sex. This way, when you get into bed at night, your mind will know that it is time to go to sleep. Limit bright lights while winding down at night and limit the use of light-emitting devices 1 or 2 hours before bedtime. You can limit this exposure by turning on the blue light filter on your computer monitor, television, pad, or phone devices. Taking the computer and TV out of your bedroom and putting your smartphone in a drawer while you sleep is recommended. Avoid turning on the lights during the night, as this could shock your system into waking up. Having a small night light can hopefully lead you where you need to go. On the other hand, increasing natural light exposure during the day can keep your circadian rhythm healthy and will help your body and mind wake up, improving daytime energy. This means going for walks during breaks and taking the opportunity to expose yourself to bright sunlight. Alternatively, you can let natural light into your home or workspace. This is because when it is light outside, your body produces less melatonin, a hormone that helps your body to relax and get deep sleep. One study shows that taking melatonin supplements as little as 2 milligrams before bed improved sleep quality and energy the next day and helped people fall asleep faster. In another study, half of the group fell asleep faster and had a 15% improvement in sleep quality. Supplements can be beneficial if you experience jet lag when you are traveling and adjusting to new time zones. Other supplements to consider are ginkgo biloba, glycine, valerian root, magnesium, L-theanine, or lavender. Various studies show that these supplements and herbs can help you relax and reduce stress, therefore improving your sleep quality. So do your research and find out which ones are suitable for your circumstances. Most adults have experienced trouble sleeping because of worry or nervousness. This can be due to tension, being caught up in negative thought patterns about past events, excessive worry about future events, feeling overwhelmed by responsibilities, or feelings of being overstimulated. The quiet of night can bring on stressful thoughts and even fears that keep a person awake. The prospect of not sleeping can cause anxiousness, dread, or panic that makes it more difficult to sleep, creating a vicious feedback cycle that makes you more anxious. At this moment, instead of stressing over the amount of sleep that you are losing and how tired you will be the next day, focus on breathing and muscle relaxation to help you settle back into sleep. This means turning the clock away from your bed so you cannot see it. Taking time to jot down your worries, concerns, or important tasks for the next day before bedtime may allow your mind to settle and set aside your concerns for tomorrow. This will help you empty your thoughts before bed and allow you to focus on sleep. Thinking positive thoughts and what you can be grateful for can also help push aside any negative feelings that you might be holding on to. When it comes to exercise and diet, the scientific evidence is well documented. Regular exercise, optimally in the morning or afternoon, can improve your sleep quality. How this works is, exercise raises your body temperature by a few degrees. When your temperature drops, this helps trigger feelings of drowsiness. Maintaining at least 150 minutes of moderate to vigorous exercise a week, which equates to about 30 minutes daily for 5 times a week, will help you sleep better. When it comes to what you eat and drink, alcohol can make you relax and fall asleep initially, but interferes with nighttime melatonin production. This means it can disrupt your sleep in the middle of the night, and you will likely wake up thirsty and uncomfortable. Of course, reducing your fluid intake before bedtime reduces disruption to your sleep from the need to get up in the middle of the night to use the bathroom. Avoid consuming caffeine and nicotine in the late afternoon or evening, or 6 hours before bedtime. The effects take time to wear off and can damage your quality of sleep. Caffeine blocks receptors for chemicals in your body that help you sleep, whereas nicotine through smoking is a stimulant and can cause insomnia. Heavy meals close to bedtime can disrupt your sleep by creating discomfort and making it hard for your body to settle and relax. Sugary foods and refined carbohydrates are also known to delay the release of melatonin in your body. Something else to watch for is spicy foods, which can cause you discomfort through heartburn and disrupt your sleep. So the best practice is to eat lightly and optimally 2 to 3 hours before bed. Some suitable nighttime snacks to help you sleep might include almonds, walnuts, turkey sandwich, kiwi, cherries, banana, milk or yogurt, or cottage cheese. These foods contain sleep-regulating hormones and brain chemicals such as melatonin or serotonin. Your sleeping troubles could also be related to psychiatric or medical reasons, such as sleep apnea, asthma, back pain, or problems related to your hormone control. Conditions such as depression can make it hard to sleep due to shifts in hormone and physiology, with the potential to trigger anxiousness and negativity. The good news is that both the psychiatric or medical problems are treatable by doctors, especially medical doctors specializing in sleep medicine, and physiotherapists that can help you with your back pain and muscle-related discomfort. Completing a 2-week sleep diary can help you understand how your routines affect your sleep. Keep a chart of your bedtime, wake times, duration of sleep, number of times you woke up, and the quality of your sleep. You can then compare this with notes of activities you did during the day and how your actions might be affecting your sleep. In summary, your sleep woes can be a result of diet, exercise, mental and emotional stress, and your sleeping environment or habits. Adhering to good sleep hygiene can help you systematically work out the root cause to your insomnia and restore your right to a restful night's sleep.